Okay, I was mute. Okay, so hi, how are you all, people? I mean, first of all, good evening, and let's start our today's whole session. Today it's going to be just only half an hour or something like that, and we will finish our things, and I will be like showcasing you about other things, what Let's Upgrade is doing, and what you all guys should actually go ahead with. Okay, so yeah, so that's what it is all about, and welcome to day 9. And today's our whole agenda is all about knowing interview questions in Python. So first, and the second thing is all about like solving that cryptography app. And I'm very sorry I was not able to look into the Instagram downloader app or something like that. But still, let us have a look. No, I'm not doing it today, so I don't have it in my agenda. So I will just make sure that you guys are wasting your time. So I don't want to do that. So yep, it can be one of a kind of other sessions, not I mean tomorrow or something like that. It is not included in your course from my side. I can take it ahead whenever I just feel like yes, today I can go live and do one or two session. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to do the repeat of cryptography, and second thing is the interview questions of Python 3. Okay, so these are our two different agendas for the day, and we will be going ahead along with that. Okay, so I hope that every one of you are all fine, set, and good to go. So please give me a high five and just fill in the attendance. Today's attendance form is which was not compulsory kind of thing, but still you guys can actually fill it in. So please let me know that how the feedbacks of you all guys, so that it will be helping us in the longer run. Okay, so now let's go ahead in terms of sharing our desktop. Just be 1 minute. Okay, so first and foremost thing which I need to do is I have shared my desktop, although I think it didn't get reflected, something like that. So just 1 minute. Okay, so I have my desktop here. Okay, so as we are having what we say more students getting joined by us, let me open Anaconda in a meanwhile. In Anaconda Navigator. So I have Anaconda Navigator here, so I'm opening it up. So inside Anaconda Navigator, I can go ahead and open Jupyter Notebook. By now you all may be knowing it 110%. Okay, so fine, so I'm just going and doing launch. Yeah, okay, so here we are, and let me just open up our folder. So this is my actual font. Okay, so I am teaching you all guys in a font where I am seeing it like, oh, like that. Okay, so it's totally fine. So now let's go ahead and start looking into your project. Okay, so that is cryptography app. Okay, so inside this, what we have to do is, so what is all about cryptography? Okay, so what is all about cryptography? Cryptography is all about like converting a normal text into a ciphertext. So that's what is all about cryptography. So we have completed things like this: step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. So step number 1 was like using a cryptography library to like convert a normal text into ciphertext, and for doing that we require a key. Okay, so we were generating a key inside our cryptography project, and using it for like the various purposes. Okay, so here where we are now going ahead, load a key and all. So first step was all about like installing the cryptography library into our project, into our like what is a laptop. So first and foremost step was this, and the second step was to like import a library. Okay, now let me just do it alongside you guys, so that you guys can actually see me doing again one more time. So CRYPTO, I'm not going to write down cryptography app repeat. Okay, so first and foremost thing, so I have just what we say, I have this particular thing, okay, and opened in it. And then the second one is to like generate a pass key. So I have to generate a password key. So how can I generate a password key? So generate a password key, for generating it we use this generally fernet.generate key option, which we have imported here, and it is printing the key for our purpose, and we are printing the type also of what type the key is getting generated. And then abc is equal to open a folder, as what is a file. So we can actually store it in any kind of file. What is the file you want us to store? what we say security key, and why it is wb is here because of write in bytes. Okay, we have to write the content in bytes, that's why we are wb is what we have mentioned. So as soon as we have done this thing, we have one of our function ready. So this is function number 1. So like you can tell it step number 1. Okay, it's already set. Now step number 2 is all about what we say getting our key. Okay, retrieving our key from what it is being stored. So for the key to retrieve, we just have to do this get my key, and inside rb mode we have to do. So this is all about step number 2. Okay, so this is all about step number 2, and now let us go to the step number 3. Okay, so step number 3 is all going to be what we say get content from user. So step number 3 is all about get content from the user which we want to encrypt. Okay, so here my step number 3 is get content from the user, and step number 4. Okay, so here what we have done, nothing, just but what we say, we are just taking some input from the user. That is what we are getting inside get content from the user. And I think this is the final step here, or like def encrypt. Okay, so I have changed a few things there. So yeah, so it is like key is equal to get my key, and afterwards key is equal to fernet key. We are just passing down the k, and k dot inside this is k is nothing else but a variable, and this variable is this is an object, which is what's the object? The object is fernet. Okay, fernet is a kind of like library which we are using for encryption and decryption of the whole data. So encryption is nothing just but converting normal text into ciphertext, and decryption is all about like converting back from ciphertext to normal text. Okay, so that's what it is. Fine. So now decryption, and last one is like decryption. It will be step number 5. Okay. So many of you guys are asking me about like, sir, please cover the YouTube downloader one. I too don't know how it was done. So I will have a look at it. Okay, then I'll be able to tell you something that yes, this is how you can do it. Okay, so now decrypt message, this is what. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll just make sure I'll just call all the variables one by one, all the functions variable, all the functions one by one. So first is generate. Okay, so generate pass key. So this is what my password key is all about, which got generated, and it is also stored inside our module, that is security key dot key. Okay, security key dot key, it is being stored here. Okay, so now just this is the kind of password. Okay, this is the key. It's just like a kind of lock and key. This is the key. Until unless this key is not there with us, it will not open our content. So now second one is to like what we say to encrypt message. Inside encrypt message, what we have to send, we have to send one thing. Okay, so data is equal to get content from user, and whatever data we are getting from the user, we want to encrypt it. Okay, so here goes, what is the data you want to encrypt? Okay, so the thing is like Juhi Singh. Juhi Singh, hi, how are you? So this is what the content is, and here goes my error. Data must be bytes. Where the hell error is? Encrypt message. Why it is giving data message normal? Message normal. Why it is giving me an error? Okay, so just 1 minute. Okay, everything is collapsing. Just 1 minute. I think what is happening here first. Okay, so just 1 minute, one by one, one by one. Hi. And inside this I just need to pass down only one thing, that is inside bytes I just want to do is get content from user. String argument without any encoding. So guys, okay, again I'm in a kind of mess, I don't know why. You guys have understood cryptography app, but why I'm getting it strange, right? Convert string to what we say, convert string to bytes, byte, python. Okay, so the best way to convert string to bytes, and it is like very simple. Okay, so it is like encode. I just need to get here the encoding part. Okay, so okay, so we just have to do the encoding part here. So the encode one would actually work. So I just need to go here and I need to pass down here a few things, that is data dot encode. Where is it? My string dot encode, and inside this encode we just need to give UTF-8. Please work. It's working now, fine. Okay, so this is how, I mean, this whole thing has been now done. So we have a message which is there with us. Okay, and now what we want to do is we want to like decrypt the whole data. So this can also be encrypt encrypted code. Okay, hi Juhi, how are you? Okay, so this is being encrypted now, encry encrypted code. If at all I do, it's this. And if even if I just do type wala stuff, okay, type encrypt code, it is like bytes type. Okay, fine. So now this is what the whole encryption is all about. Okay guys, don't mention about the video downloader thing in the chat this much. I have already seen it, you guys are requesting. I will do something, just wait for some time. Let me just complete this and I'm about to finish. So we have encrypted all the data here. Now the only thing which we want to decrypt is inside the decrypt message we just have to pass down the encrypt code and we will be able to get the decrypt out here. So this is how, I mean, the very simplest thing is you can also use the same thing. I can give you a code and you all guys can actually what we say, if you have my key, you all will be able to decode the message which I have provided to you all guys. Okay, so until unless you don't have the same key, you will not be able to see this thing into your message body or somewhere. So this is how it's very much simple. So what we have done is we have used a library known as cryptography, and using that cryptography we have generated encrypt message and decrypt message, and encrypt and decrypt message takes only and only what we say UTF-8 parameter, that is bytes. So this is the best way to do it as per Stack Overflow. So we are using the same thing here. Okay, sir, explain once again Firebase. Oh, okay, so Firebase is going to take like lot much of time, so I would not suggest to take Firebase right now. So yeah, okay, so this is how the whole thing is in this part. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start working with the next one, that is interview questions as per the what we say schedule. That is interview questions, but you all guys are asking me something, that is a video downloader, something like that. So just give me 1 minute, let me have a look at the code which you all guys have done. So let me just have a look at it, just give me 1 minute. Okay. Uh, So I can share YouTube downloader code. It is so easy. Okay. So yeah, just let me have a look at it. What it is all about. You guys are asking this much regarding this whole part. So let me have a look at it. It should be very much easy, super easy kind of thing. And it is actually easy, guys. I mean, you just have to give a kind of path or something like that, and you will be able to download whole thing in just minutes. You just need to have a library known as PIP PyTube. That's it. So I'm just running it once. So if at all it works perfectly fine, so I will show it to you right now, or else we will skip this at this point of time. Okay, so and already I have shared all the notebooks whatever I'm working on, so you guys can actually go and refer to that. So I've already shared everything whatever I've been doing. So I got a code which is very much ready to go ahead with something like that, and our people gave it to us right now. Just I mean, I'll try downloading a video from our own YouTube. That is Let's Upgrade. So just give me 1 minute. I'm all done. So I just need to see that how this would go. Okay. So share it, copy. Okay, save to just the same folder where I am right now, and mp3 let's upgrade video, and please run this thing. It's actually not working right now for me, so I need to have a look at it. So I will be like working around with it later on. So in my machine I have not even tested it once, so I am getting an error. You all can see the same error what I'm trying to do. So I have just downloaded pytube, so I'm going to pytube python. Inside pytube python I am able to see this library. So since July they are active. So what I need to do is like YouTube stream first dot download. Okay, so before the perfect balance of simplicity versus flexibility. So YT dot streams. Okay, so this is the I think very mere minimalistic way to do it right away. So here goes our link. I just so it should work. If at all it is working, I think it is working. I think it is working. Actually, it is taking up so much of a load in terms of this. So let's see this. This is the this is the code. That's it. Nothing else is there. Okay, so I have my code here. That is inside. That's it. See, this much only the code is. Only 3 lines. One, two, and three. So I have downloaded the whole class, and it should be somewhere in this where it is see mp4. So bas itna hi bhaiya. So this much only you need to do. Okay, if at all I have to show the same thing with VS Studio or something like that, so I will be able to show you that, but I don't know, I should show you that thing right now, yes or no. So but okay, just to show you this. So this is here is the video. Just we have downloaded. What is see? So we have downloaded the video using a Python script. So that Python script is like so small. What we say Python script. And guys, I'm all available on our Let's Upgrade's mobile app. Okay, so I'm actually available on it. So you all guys, whenever you send me any kind of message or something like that, I will be able to get that with the help of this thing here, that is a community. So I can actually have a look at all your messages, whatever you're tagging me in. So it sends me instant notifications. So please tag me in whenever you want, and you all can actually have a look at all the news with this. And also you all can have a look at all the job postings. So we are all done. So we are launching our app on this 25th of December. So that's the date which we have finalized internally for going ahead with the app. So now you all guys can actually use it and be very much part of a vibrant job posting community, at the same time helping you all to learn something new. And at the same time we also will be giving you daily tech news so that you all can be updated. So please let me know how many of you are excited about this whole app right now. So just please let us know that thing. Yeah, chalo. Bye bye. Okay, no, not bye bye. So for app is bye bye. And okay, so the deadlines of what we say projects are today night. So you all guys uh, have to look at it. Yeah. Okay, so now let's go ahead in the meantime. Okay, before moving on to your Python script for YouTube video downloader. Okay, so that's it. So just give the URL here. You don't even have to give the URL. You can actually give the ID also, and it would download it for you and get it. Okay, so yep, this is the, I'll upload this whole thing, don't worry about it. Okay, so what is that next thing? Okay, so before going ahead, okay, so before going ahead with the whole class, the last leg, that is interview questions, I just want to ask you everyone, like, why you guys are learning Python with us? So what is the biggest reason that you all guys are learning Python with us? I mean, I 100% know that every one of you want to get placed in some or other what we say company end of the day. But what is the biggest reason why you all guys are actually enrolled with us? Okay, so just please let me know about that one thing in the chat. I'm actually recording your whole chat here so that it can be saved with me later on. So please let me know what is that number one reason why you all guys have started learning what we say Python along with us. So what is that reason? What is that reason? So please let me know what is that reason that you all guys are interested about learning Python. Okay, for data science, okay, so machine learning. What is the reason that you all guys? Okay, so just let me know. So please extend deadline for project. Okay, leave this thing right now, guys. Just please answer me the question. Python is famous language. That's why we are learning for data science. Okay, to learn automation and data science. Okay, easy code, machine learning only for data science. Okay, so now these many people are mentioning that they all are excited to learn data science. Why don't I show you all guys how you can enroll into our data science program? So you all can earn coins with different activities. So it is something which I'm going to show you right now. It is like I'm very proud of this thing, that what we are giving and what we are doing right now. So it is all about a data science program made for all the people who want to like master data science right now itself. Okay, so you all guys can see like already so many students are part with us. So we have a free of cost program, but right now one of the program which is happening. Okay, so one of the program which is happening, that is all about advanced level. So this level is having a content of 55 hours in it, and this 55 hours is completely available for 3,000 rupees. Okay, so if at all you guys are interested for taking this whole program of data science into your career, and you all guys know who is the trainer. The trainer is Dr. Darshan Ingle. He is one of the rocket scientist trainer at LetsUpgrade. So he takes care of all the amazing trainings happening at LetsUpgrade. So he is one of the trainer who is taking up this. So I just suggest, I recommend personally that you all guys should go ahead with data science program, and it is happening right now also. If at all you take part, if at all you just go and do the payments by tomorrow or something like that, you will be able to have what we say access to the ongoing batch, and it is all completely live. It is 55 hours of content. Assignments are reviewed by Let's Upgrade team. You do projects, you do minimum of 5 projects, and apart from that, it has a world-class curriculum. What the leading startups are teaching, that's what we are teaching here. So just have a look at it, what it is, and you have weekly doubt clearing sessions. You get access to employment skills which are required after you pass out, after you graduate from our small edtech startup. Okay, so this is what it is, and it's a weekend, so weekdays batch on alternate days. 2 hours it is, 1.5 hour to 2 hours, including MCQs, quizzes, and everything. So that's what is all about it. And the people who are excited about our data science program, I would like to give them a discounting link right now. That is letsupgrade.in slash I love DS. So just go to letsupgrade.in slash I love data science, and you all guys will be getting access to that one single coupon. So it is letsupgrade.in slash I love DS, and you all guys can get exclusive offer which will be a different pricing. If at all you're interested, just go and register at I love DS, and you all guys will be meeting us, and we will tell you what's the discountings and all. Okay, we offer heavy discounts, so just go ahead, and if at all you're interested, just go and apply here. So this is what it is. Okay, so I just took this part because I am very much interested in terms of making sure that you all guys are taking right step into your future. That is I love DS. This is what the URL is. Just go fill it up, and we will give you a discounts there. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks a lot. I mean, this is what one more thing which I should be mentioning before anything happens up. Okay, so that is we also have one more thing which is starting very soon. That is data structures and algorithm program is starting. Okay, so now what is data structures and algorithm? Just 2 more minutes and I will wrap it up. Hey, if at all you are wishing to empower yourself for placements and competitive coding happening around the world and want to be the best resource for any company to hire, you should be actually mastering data structures and algorithm. Okay, so data structures and algorithm is a full program which we are starting right now, and it is fully for free of cost. I just want every one of you to actually enroll into this program. So this program is 8 hours live program, and you all have kind of like the curriculum is very simple. It's a time complexity analysis, array and linked list, pointers, searching and sorting, stack queue. So this is what you will be learning as a student. If at all you are learning from Let's Upgrade, you all guys should be enrolling into data structures and algorithm program. Okay, so data structures and algorithm program will make sure that you all guys are one notch above in placements and competitive coding, which is what each and every company at the time of recruitment looks for. Okay, so just go here and enroll into this program. Okay, so just click on this enroll button, and it's already there in my thing. That's why it's not showing. If at all you even log it out, and I just go I don't even go login. Okay, so I just do enroll here. Okay, so even if I click enroll, you all guys will be able to, it will ask you your ID or something. I will be able to see it here. Okay, so that's how it is. So simple to what we say, get the data science program, and it is starting on this particular 24th. So just get ready, and we are starting on this 24th of December. So yeah, so 24th December is the start date. We will be all waiting for you all guys to go ahead with that. Okay, so thanks a lot for joining in for this data structures and algorithm. Now let's go ahead. Okay, so now let's go ahead into what we say, our interview questions. Okay, so now what is all about like interview questions in Python? Okay, inside Python, what is that interview questions which are like mattered? Okay, so the interview questions is all about one thing, that is we'll just go and see. So first and foremost thing, what is that people will be asking inside the interviews for Python? Okay, so one thing which each and every interviewer is like looking forward to ask you all guys is all about what's the basic difference between Python 2 and Python 3. Okay, so this is one of the question. What is the difference between Python 2 and Python 3? So what's the core difference between the both? Okay, so this is one of the stuff. And apart from it, the one more thing which is being asked. Now you all guys should be answering me this question that okay, what's the difference between Python 2 and Python 3? Okay, so answer me that one single question and I will be able to take that things ahead accordingly. Okay, so apart from that, okay, so why Python 3 is very much famous, or like why Python is famous, why is Python Python. Okay, so the second question is like why Python is so famous. Okay, and apart from that, the third point is all about, okay, so why do you think Python developers what is that Python so much helpful in as compared to other programming languages? Okay, so this is one of the frequently asked question in terms of the companies. So what is that actually difference between the Python and JavaScript as a language, Python and C as a language, Python and .NET as a kind of like full framework, what it is based out of C sharp, how it is different? Okay, Python and Java, what are the core differences between them, and why do you think Python is a edge over everything? Okay, so uh, why do you think Python has edge over any other programming language? Okay, so this is one. And the third question, the fourth question can be, okay, so I'll just open up one of my this thing. So what actually I have written down a lot of questions in my notebook, so which I would love to speak right now. Okay, so one of the question which is bothers a lot inside interview questions is all about, they will be asking what's the basic difference between for loop and a while loop in Python. Okay, so what is the basic difference between for loop and a while loop inside Python? Okay, so just think about it and give me the answer, like what is the basic difference between a for loop and uh, while loop inside Python? Okay, so now based out of a few things, okay, so based out of few things like what is the difference between when we talk about like for loop versus while loop, we also should be talking about a difference between what we say, the thing that is more to do with tuple and list. What's the difference between the both? Okay, so then one more difference is like what we say, what is PEP8? What is PEP8? I'm giving you the questions, you guys need to get the answers. I'm not going to give you the answers right here. Okay, seventh question, I will just give you like 20 questions. Okay, so now then, okay, then afterwards, what is namespace in Python? What is namespace in Python? It is known as also something else which we talk about, spoke regarding already. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I need to plug in my charger. My charging was supposed to end. Okay, so it should not. Okay, so now the next question is like all about what are the common modules? What are the common modules which are used inside Python programming language? What are the common what we say modules used in Python? Okay, then apart from that, we also have one more question that is more to do with, okay, how do you, okay, so is Python case sensitive? Okay, So then the third one is, what is the time complexity, or like what is the time complexity of for loop or while loop inside Python. Okay, so now going ahead with this, we also have how to install. Okay, so how to install Python. Okay, then we have one more question. What are the ways to write down Python program? Okay, so apart from this, just give me 1 minute. I will just take down the other resources or something like that. Thirteenth one. What are the drawbacks of Python? Okay, then 14th one is all about core difference between, what is it, Python and Java. Okay, 15th one is all about what is the difference between what we say range and range X. Okay, and the 16th one is all about what is a method, a package, library. Okay, so now two more questions which I think that can, does Python support switch programming? If yes, how? If no, why? Okay, so 18th one is all about the 19th one is all about what is inline functions in Python. I will give you this thing, and the final one from my side would be uh, okay, how can you build API in Python? Okay, so these are the 20 questions which I think I would ask from what all you have studied till now. What all things you have studied till now, I will be asking these all things to you. Okay, so I will be asking these all questions to anyone whom I may be interviewing for different roles. Fine. So now that's what the thing is. Ki from whatever you have learned till now. So these are the questions which will be like asked to you all guys, and like very common kind of thing. So apart from this, there will be like kind of like codes which will be like provided to every one of you, and accordingly. So yeah, that's what this we it that's how we actually go ahead and see how Python is being done. So just go ahead and have a look at all these questions answer. So I will be uploading this file onto the Jupyter, what we said, this Jupyter notebook onto our what we say community. So just have a look at it. Then we will be then you just have to take things ahead accordingly. And please let us know if at all you are joining our data science program and all. I will be one of the person who will be like who may be actually taking few of 1 or 2 sessions kind of thing in terms of project. Okay, in what we say in terms of some surprise elements there, not maybe the projects exactly, but at least how to prepare for interviews and everything else inside data science and all. Okay, so that can actually can be a kind of surprising element inside there. But apart from that, apart from me, like uh, Darshan sir teaches amazing on a different level. He is, so he is on a different level as compared to me and anyone else in the whole tribe of Let's Upgrade faculties. Okay, so yep. So just 1 minute. I am actually like going ahead and putting your things inside our this. Just 1 minute. So how many of you are like very much excited about the what we say the app which I have just shown you? I mean, like literally, taking that app from zero to this much level, and it's been developed. The first level has been developed by what we say me only, me and Viral Patel mostly. So that's what it is. Viral, Prasad, and everyone from our team members are doing that first level of app. And the second one is we are going to take it ahead in terms of the second version will be made by more professional guys. But the first version is all up to get released. It's only the jobs thing which we are adding. And Viral Patel is our person who does all things. So all credit goes to him. End of the day. Yep. So now here is like day 9 interview questions, YouTube downloader plus what we say it's Java video crypto repeat. Okay, so do like and what we say do like and comment onto this post if you are downloading this. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks a lot. I mean, it was good. I'm into teaching you all guys, and probably this is my last batch I am taking as a directly to all the students. And upcoming apart from me there will be so many other trainers who will be coming ahead. Yeah, that's what it is all about. And yep, just do one more thing. A Python exam and all will be conducted as per the schedule. It will be all there. I mean, you can just actually go ahead and see. You guys are, I mean, what we say, you guys are doing something there, and I am getting notifications in my app. So Omkar had just gone and liked the thing there, and I got a notification. The same way, okay. So now, a thing which I wanted to mention here is all about. Your exams are all set. It will be on 22nd of this month, so there is no change in your exams, I think, as of right now. So yeah, it is all going to be on the 22nd of this thing, and accordingly by 25th you all should, by 23rd you will be having your results in hand. So that's what, and we will be announcing the Alexa winner by 25th, I think. So that's how it's going to be. So yeah, that's it guys. Chalo, bye bye, take care, have a nice day. And this is my final batch. Sai signing off from Let's Upgrade's regular teaching mode. And you all guys will be seeing me more in terms of doing marketings and what we say presenting Let's Upgrade on a greater stage for all the students across India. And also for like building the community in larger aspect, and like making sure that things which we are and strategizing things. So that's it, and thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for being there. And maybe at this point of time, no batches are being planned till upcoming 3-4 months from my side. So whatever it's going to be, it's going to be from other trainers. Okay, so yes, I'll be there. I'll be there as a student. So thanks a lot for joining in, and any kind of final things you should already want to say. And you all will be what we say learning. You all will be getting. Uh, Fine. So just go ahead and enroll for data structures and algorithm program. And yep. And I'll just make sure that every one of the trainer who is going to come up to Let's Upgrade, all of them will be having the same thing in their DNA. That is a teaching pattern. The teaching pedagogy is going to be the same. Okay. So I'll make sure that part is being maintained. And thanks a lot. So it was a kind of like a secret surprise for all the students who will be holding on to end. We just wanted to reveal that this is going to be my last batch. and upcoming batches, like you will not be seeing me teaching regularly because I have got so much of work to be done, and I'm actually late on my deadlines most of the time. So thanks a lot. But just please share your referral codes. Just go here, and whenever you can actually share it with the help of, share it as much as possible, because I don't want to invest money in marketing, and my best way of marketing is teaching you all guys. So just go share here, and you will be your link will be copied. Share that link and you all will be earning coins. And if at all you earn coins, you can get program for free of cost. Okay, and we are automating all of our things now. Instead of getting coins directly, you will be getting scratch cards. 21st is the date when we are enabling our scratch card system, just like Google Pay. So our team Viral Patel is again working on that. So he's the person who's going to launch it on 21st. Okay, so this day after tomorrow. Okay, so just go here and copy this thing. So as I've copied here, it will show my referral code. The same way it is going to show your referral code also. So just make sure that you all guys are generating your referral codes and sharing it to your friends as much as possible, and you will be earning coins, and you can earn up to 100 coins. And if at all you have coins with you, then you can take our programs for free of cost, our premium programs, where what we say, we teach amazing stuff which no other competitor can dare to come there. Okay, so that's what is our forte, and I can actually shout here saying that thing, that no one can do it at this price point. Okay, I can challenge all the people out there. Just come up and see what is that we are doing, and you all guys have to come up and make education affordable for these students. Okay, so this is what I am in my rowdy slang. Okay, so thanks a lot guys. And okay, so if at all I have to enroll this program, okay, so it asked me to complete my profile and all. Just complete your profile. I'm a working professional, so submit. And apart from that, whenever I just click on enroll, so I can pay using Let's Upgrade coins. Okay, if you have, I have 0 Let's Upgrade coins because I have not any sharing. So if at all you join from this thing, so you will be able to get that. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye, take care. And okay, so thanks a lot Priyanka for mentioning that thing, and I hope that you all guys will be loving our scratch card system which we are launching on this study 20 what we say 21st. Okay, and our app which is coming. Okay. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day, all the rowdies of Python. So, I just want to meet every one of you. Next year, probably after COVID, I'll be meeting every one of you in your cities. Okay, I'll on a kind of like India tour next year fully. So, yeah, thanks a lot, all the rowdies, for joining in and upgrading yourself in Python. Give your exam amazingly and share about Let's Upgrade as much as possible. I don't have money to spend on marketing. My only money I have is knowledge, and I would love to share with you all guys. Okay, bye bye. Thanks a lot, and would love to meet you all guys again. Take care, and we'll be meeting you all very soon in terms of our other programs, whatever we will be doing. So, yep. Any other questions? I will be all available for you all guys. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.